I'm sure you've all seen my latest blurry selfie. And yes, the rumors are true. I'm officially over it. So, after a lot of pause for thought, I've decided to quit YouTube at least for now. Honestly, I need a break from my mental chew health. I mean, the pressure to be cute 24/7, the constant treat sponsorship drama, it's exhausting. I can't even pee in peace without someone going OMG content. I just want to chase my tail and nap in the sun, you know? Will I be back? Maybe. But for now, Linkin bark if you care. Drop a paw emoji if you'll miss me. This isn't goodbye forever, just until my next walk. Stay floofy, stay dramatic, and remember, don't let the haters steal your squeaky toy.